Hello, I'm Rachel live from Kalkine Studios and you're watching the IPO Corner, a weekly show dedicated to the IPO market, and it brings you hot public offerings and all important information about the listing companies. However, before investing in any shares, investors need to understand the business prospects and the operations in detail. And this can include changing the IPO price or the issuance date as the companies see fit. Now here are two IPOs scheduled for this week. According to ASX IPO announcements, Equity Story Group is set to list on the ASX on the 18th of March at 11:30 in the morning, Australian Eastern Daylight Time. They focus on helping others achieve their financial goals. They offer advice, education and investment services. Equity Story Group lodged a prospectus on the 4th of February this year with the Australian Securities and Investments Commission for an offer of 22,500,000 shares at an issue price of 20 cents per share to raise $4.5 million. Oversubscriptions of up to a further 5 million shares at an issue price of 20 cents per share to raise up to a further 1 million may be accepted. And South Australian explorer Stellar Materials plans to launch on the 18th of March at 12 p.m. Australian Eastern Daylight Time, according to the ASX website. They have 5 exploration projects in South Australia. They've assembled a range of copper, zinc, metal exploration projects in order to meet demand from the technology, battery and renewable energy markets as the world moves towards a low-emission future. Stellar have a $10.1 million market cap and a $2.6 million enterprise value, according to terms sent to potential investors. And Terra Capital, a resources investment firm run by Alan Bond's grandson, Jeremy Bond, and Matthew Langsford, is cornerstoning the IPO. Stellar Materials plans to raise up to $7 million at 20 cents a share. Well, it's time to wrap up the IPO Corner show, but remember, before investing in IPOs, investors must check the credibility and the track record of the company. Risk appetite varies by investors, and they need to consider factors such as an analyst view, brokerage ratings, industry outlook, financial performance, and a peers review before making an investment decision. It's also important to note that companies can change the IPO price or issuance date as they see fit. That's all for now on the IPO Corner show. Stay tuned to Kalkine TV. We have many more shows lined up for you with live updates across the economy, markets and sectors. This is Rachel signing off for now.